Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 3rd, and this is my PM market close video where we're going to take a quick look at gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't joined my free Discord channel yet, then make sure you check out the link at the end of this video down here in the corner. If you would like to join my membership program, which is only $30 a month and it gets you access to all the benefits listed down here below, then check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, all linked in the description. So otherwise, gold didn't end up continuing up this morning. I said this morning in my morning AM video that this looks like a possible three-wave correction to the last 5 waves up. I also said that my next area of resistance is this 123.6 Fibonacci retracement level from the daily time frame. It's actually above the 100%, so the 123.6. So that's right around the 2850 area. So that is my next area of resistance. If it does go down, I would put my Fibonacci retracement on this little move right here. I would look for another 3 waves down. I would look for another entry to go long. As long as this high low series continues on the higher time frames, I personally would be doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of every single 3 wave pullback I see, just like this 3 wave pullback, just like this 3 wave pullback, just like this 3 wave pullback, and just like the end of a 3 wave pullback that we had today. So anyways, thank you for watching, and as always, happy trading.